It is about time that this chicken and duck coop gets a paint job. It has been sitting here like this for a couple weeks, and our intention is to paint it black and then possibly at some point put some siding on. We'll have to see how it turns out once we paint it. What are you going to do today?
Two things.
What?
Help Afwat get better and paint.
And paint?
Mm-hmm.
All right, this thing needs a paint job.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's wrong with Aflac?
He cannot walk very well. He also, I feel like it's also him putting pressure this way, because I can see him going down.
Yeah.
And he's not trying to go back up.
He's got bad legs, doesn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, poor thing. We're trying to nurse him back to health.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Aflac, you have some bad legs. Poor duck. Do you like painting?
Yeah.
Is that fun?
I've always loved painting.
Have you ever painted a house before?
No. Never, ever, ever. Okay, so the chickens and ducks used to be able to fit through here.
Yes, you're right.
And then when Aflac was in here, I looked at this.
Yeah,
I couldn't believe how big he got.
you're right. They are way, way bigger, aren't they? It's amazing to think how just a short time ago they were so small.
Teeny weeny babies.
Teeny weeny, you're right. Hi, ladies. Oh, Luna's checking things out. She's head chicken. Oh, stretch, Luna, stretch. They're getting so big. They look like chickens. I don't know what else they're supposed to look like, but they look like chickens.
Yeah.
Oh, Luna?
So small.
Luna loves people.
So much.
What? I think Luna likes the camera.
Yeah.
Are you smiling for the camera, Luna? Yeah, I think you are, aren't you? That's too funny. She loves it.
I'm a construction worker.
You are. At least a painter.
Yeah. Oh, the ducks are actually now, so when the chickens went into the ducks pen,
Yep.
the ducks actually snapped at them.
Really? Oh, they're starting to guard their territory.
Yeah, I was like, go get them.
Wow, yeah, that's amazing. The ducks are quite a bit bigger now, though.
And then the chickens became a little afraid of the ducks.
Oh, nice.
Most people would be like, this is bad, but
Right. They needed to stand up for themselves.
yeah,
So how's the painting coming?
awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're going to check out my laundry room. What? There's no wall there! Lily, it's missing! Where'd my laundry room go?
Over there.
It is now part of the garage.
Yeah.
Oh.
You finally get a big laundry room instead of the store period.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna get rid of that garage because first of all, we don't so I have cars in there, and second of all, we're gonna build another one.
Yes, that's right. We're gonna make the garage living space, and we're gonna build a new garage.
Yeah.
Yep.
Didn't Dad say he would like make like a little bit of this into like a guest room or something?
Maybe. We're still discussing what it's all gonna look like.
Nice.
But we know we're getting a bigger laundry room.
Yeah, you already planned it out.
Yes.
You have to get your partner. Hey! Your partner has to get you. Get back in jail. Okay, fine. Your partner got you.
Charlie, this is your first time on the trampoline.
Yeah.
Do you like it? Charlie usually doesn't like sensory input. She's an avoider.
I just got a toy.
I'm super excited to see that you're on here.
That's it, Mommy.
Woo! Good job.
She's only 3 and guess what? I can't even. It's
Whoa! Charlie, show me how you jump.
Oh no! Ah! Here, can you jump like this?
Good job.
And I get to do the flip?
Yes, I'm so proud of you.
Wait, I can't do something. Stop jumping.
Jade's creating a little friction on the trampoline. Oh my gosh, your hair. Okay, so they did not totally get the chicken and duck coop painted, but at least we got a start on it, and it is on its way to getting a more finished look. I will say that I cannot believe that Charlie jumped on the trampoline. That was her first time on it, and man, I feel like she went crazy. She loved it, and that is a huge deal because she has such a sensory avoidance issue, and she hates that input. Even on our little mini trampoline, she really does not like jumping very hard on that. So to get on our big trampoline and do that, I was so excited for her because, you know, I feel like she misses out on some things having that sensory avoidance issue. So I was absolutely thrilled that she did that. If you guys have not yet subscribed to our channel, click here to subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have not yet watched our trampoline time video, click here to watch that video next. Bye!